the DJI Pocket 4 does have a gesture control, and to enable it, you will want to go here, scroll down, and you see the little hand over here is the gesture control. You can enable it like that. And you can also select registered subject to be able to do that. So not everybody that is passing behind you can do that, for example. And those registered user can be set up on the second page here, where you see 3 people. Actually, you can see there is myself. If you hit the plus, you just have to put your face in the middle, hit the check mark, and there you go, you're registered. And I can delete my second self. And now that it is enabled, the way it works is that if you show 5 fingers, just like that, it will start following me. If I show 2 fingers, it will start a recording. And if I show those 2 fingers again, it will stop the recording. Does it work only with... Yeah, it seems that it only works with those 2 fingers. Interesting. No, I trick it. And same thing if you want to stop the tracking, you just show your 5 fingers again. So that's as simple as that. I hope this was helpful.